Okay guys, so for today I'm gonna be bringing you guys this Halloween look. I'm not gonna be using contacts today, just so I could show you guys that you guys could still do a Halloween look without contacts. Now if you guys do have contacts and you guys want to apply some, then you guys could go ahead and do so. So let's get started with when it comes to colors, I like to use a white base, and this one is perfect. You just put it on, you blend it, and it really helps your colors pop up even more. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this hot pink eyeshadow and putting it all over the lid. Then I'm adding some of the brown. And some of that yellow, and blend those colors together. So now I'm going to be using this NYX California palette, and I'm going to be using this cream color here for the brow bone. Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine. After I'm done applying my eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Stila glitter. And I'm going to be applying it on my lids just to give it that little pop of glitter. Once I'm done with my eye look, I'm going to need some water, some paint brushes, and I'm going to get started with the Halloween look. I'm applying this pink paint on the face with this sponge, letting it dry, and then applying some more. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the beginning, I was going for a skull mask, but then I decided to do a different one So I'm gonna have roots coming out of my mouth. Well, the illusion of roots coming out of my mouth. I am going to blend some orange and red paint so it could kind of look like blood but blend it in together. And then I started drawing in the roots little by little. You guys could also add some fake blood. I decided not to for this look. I'm just gonna leave it as is.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Okay, so I do go over with pink and orange eyeshadow on top of the white paint, and then I do draw in a nose. Applying this glitter, we are done. I ended up posting one picture at the end with context just so you guys could see the difference.
Yeah.